Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity from Mindtree and they are hiring for SE Big Data. Okay, so the job requirement is for SE Big Data. We will see the job description first. So the job title will be Azure Big Data Lead and this will belong to data management and engineering and you need a 3 years education, bachelor's of engineering in any discipline equivalent, and location will be any location desired, so any location in which mandatory offices are available. Okay, so if you have done bachelor's of engineering in any discipline or any equivalent degree, 3 years education is also experience, 3 years they want, and we will see the candidate profile architecture. So the experience in designing and implementing solution architecture for large and complex data systems, then 3 years of experience in implementing designing solutions using Azure big data technologies, then a proficient dealing with all the layer in solution multi-channel presentation, business logic in middleware and data access layer, RDBMS, NoSQL, and experience in implementing and deploying applications on Azure, then proficient in creating technical documents like architecture views and technology architecture blueprint and design specifications, technology and engineering expertise. Then 5 years of hands-on experience in Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, and Azure DevOps, and Azure Data Lake Storage. Expertise in designing, deploying data applications on Azure, and proficient in programming languages like PySpark, and good to have knowledge in Kafka streaming, Azure infrastructure setup using Terraform, and proficient in OOAD using UML and in application of data design patterns, and experience in using tool like rational suit expertise, enterprise architecture and Eclipse, and source code versioning systems like CBS and SVN, experience with different development methodology, and hands-on experience in Azure stack like Azure Data Lake and Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks. Then the mandatory skills are a good understanding of other Azure services like Azure Data Lake and uh, Data Lake Analytics, TSQL and USQL, Azure SQL DW, and good understanding of Azure Databricks platform, and can build data analytics solutions to support the required performance and scale. Demonstrated analytical and problem solving skills, particularly those that apply to a big data environment. So basically, this is the hiring for the experienced person who have at least 3 years of experience working in the field of Azure, and you should know the programming language PySpark. So if you have the requirement and the required knowledge, then you can consider applying yourself for this. Okay, now the job requirement are Azure Data Factory, Databricks, and Snowflake, SQL, PySpark, data processing, and data processing solutions. As they are hiring for SE Big Data and Azure Data Lead, then you should have all these knowledge about the requirement. as they are hiring for experienced person, then you should be sound as an experienced person, and have the knowledge about big data, and have some experience on working on data processing, Azure and PySpark. Okay, now the skills on the basis they are hiring is Azure Data Factory, and apart from that, you should have all other knowledge related to Azure, like Azure Databricks and Snowflakes, all these things which they have mentioned. So you can apply for this job. Okay, now as this is the requirement for experienced candidates, so there is like education criteria will not matter here. So they have mentioned that bachelor's of engineering can apply, but if you have some working experience in the field of data processing or data analyst, or in Azure, then you can apply if you have at least 3 years of experience. Okay, so this is all about the job update, guys. If you want to apply, then I will provide the link in the description box, so you need to click on this apply now button. Okay, complete your application as soon as possible. And yeah, this is all for today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates in future. And also share this as much as you can, because we really need your support. So support us by subscribing to the channel, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.